Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Jen Simple Life. For this video guys, we are going to make sweet and sour chicken. And right now I am frying the chicken. So this is the chicken guys that we're using to make the sweet and sour chicken. Ayan, so it's almost done frying. And stay tuned guys. Here we go. And here you go, the chicken is cooked. And we are going to make the sweet and sour chicken. Ayan. Our chicken cubes, it looks so good and crunchy. Ayan. Chicken cubes. Fried chicken breast cubes. Hello guys! I'm cooking sweet and sour sauce para sa chicken ko. Para sa sweet and sour for the chicken. So, I'm sauteing the onion and the ginger. Okay. It smells so good. And then I'm going to put the vegetables. To add in the thin sliced vegetables, carrots and bell pepper. Medyo mahangin guys. Siguro may storm kami. Ayan. Yung ginagamit ko yung sauce pan. Kasi ano sauce, medyo saucy lang naman ang ating gagawin. Ayan. Ayan, and then tatakitan natin at babalikan natin about 3 minutes after. As you can see in the screen, you can see the recipe for the sweet and sour sauce. And that is a big, large amount of sauce, about for 6 person. Ayan. And you might want to make only half of it if you're like 3 or 4 person in your in the house. Ayan. The sauce is also good to have in the ribs or some other kind of sweet and sour dishes you want. It can also goes with the fish. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. At pakuluan lang natin ng konti. Hintayin natin kumulo and then ilagay natin ang chicken. Ayan. So ayan guys. At nag-simmer na siya. And we are going to add the chicken here. Ayan. So we are going to add the chicken. Ayan. Ayan. And next lang siya. Ayan guys. So this sauce also guys is good for pork ribs and other you want sweet and sour dishes. Ayan. And then yan guys, hintayin lang natin na kumulo siya. Ayan. At ready na after kumulo na. Okay, see you later. Ayan.